Just put on, good morning all. I just put on a quick scalp play on RTY in this drop here and NQ on this pullback here on here. It's got a pullback here after the Globex open, right? Saw the drop. I have this one on since after the close, 1 micro. After Amazon and Google beat, I put this on. So this one is 1 micro. I just went into this and I just went into this. So let's see if we could get some bucks off of this. I don't like this too much. It's in a little trouble, but I think this could push her back on the drop. And then I just book my profit here, make a couple $100 to start the day. If I could get 100 from this, I'd take it. This is pushing up, so we up $190 there. So I take off one here. Or instead I add to it. Oh man. Oh, I add to it. I got four of them. So I take off one here. Don't want to have that much. Okay. So we got $100 here on RTY. Right. See if we could get the RTY. So we got 100 here. 100 there. We got $400. Oh, we take it. Take the $400 and run. So what I would do is take off one YM there, one NQ there. So we got a micro, one NQ, one RTY. We could get like $500 on this trade here. Right? Don't want this to come back and beat me. This keep pushing up here. Still in a downtrend. So, I might just take the $70 here. Yeah, I might just take this off. And take this off too. Man, still having some problems there. Taking out the RTY. We got a micro on still. It's $108. I keep him on. Right? So this one is NQ came back, took the profit and won. We got out of three. This is pulling back again. So we put the swing here. This here. Look at these levels here. All right. If we come down here, I would add to the trade again. Right. The market is rallying, carrying over from yesterday gain, and also Amazon and Google beating earnings. So pushing tech sector up. All right, so this is coming back down. And we make a couple $100 here. If this come down too much, I take it off. Still in a downtrend. He's still in a downtrend. We look for pivot here. See if we get a pivot here. Squeeze looking to fire long here. See? We're in the squeeze box here. So if you break the trend line, I kill it. Okay. Or I add to the trade. So we see what YM is doing. So I go back in here into RTY. If I could get filled there, good. So kind of WPM, right? So low volume. So go back into RTY there. NQ's coming down. May add to NQ. Don't want to give up on this micro here. So watch NQ. Holding at a trend line here, right? He hold the trend line. We get a pivot up back because momentum is shifting here. Squeeze look into fire. Accumulate delta is kind of flat right now. Okay, NQ makeup is moved back up. See that? I was going to take the loss, but I waited there. So he's popping here now. So 330 pivot play here. This is going up. We got $40 there. So could take that $40 too. Right? Now hold them a little longer. See what happens. Momentum shifting here. See? Low. Moving up back a little. Cumulative delta is moving up. Volume is low. So it's choppy, right? Well, here comes NQ. See, was trying to take the loss on NQ, but I waited out, so I used the trend line. So they say give us what was 60 the last time. Now he could come back. If he could come up here, would be a nice win in him. Oh, we make 150. I could take this off to here, make 75. Right. We'll see how this candle close and see what happens. Can't be greedy here. Okay, we got 100, 120. Okay. See, this is VP. You see the space in between the candles? Because the volume is getting low liquidity. So you get that VP action, which is good for us, right? Could come down the same way. So I taking this 115 here. I'm done with him, right? So we get over 200. Well, close to $200 on two trade there. NQ, we got 80 here. 75. Well, he's running a Mercedes. We could have get something on YM here too, but I like the action. Too sideways. NQ, wow, the NQ's coming down back. Or give up that $70. So he popped down too. I'm gonna take this win here on the micro. Well, he's far away. Got a reversal on the micro here. So we hold that. But NQ is kind of vicious here. He could go higher, but he's so whippy. All right, I could take him off at $45. So we up now about, I don't know, $500. Plus we got this one on. All right, quick win. See the signal here? It's a key reversal, right? So it come down, you take it up. Key reversal play, all right? See that? But it's still whippy. I was up $80, then it sell it whippy. So when you recognize this kind of price action, you just grab your profit, right? And you run. We could take off this micro here too. Call it a win, right? Not just giving up anything. It's getting too whippy right now. Right? If we look at the big picture, we could see what happened in the world out there right now. Major indices. See, I look at Japan, South Korea, China, Hong Kong, India, London, and Germany and France. We don't look at the whole world. China close mix. India's rallying 3 days in a row. Indian stock market is all-time high. London open up high at 3 o'clock. So's France, so's Germany. Nikkei close up. Australia close up. South Korea close up, right? China close mix with Hong Kong down, right? India market is still open, right? Let me see what time India market is closing. India market, India market's supposed to close anytime soon, anytime now, right? Closing bell, 1 hour, all right? Usually close at 6 o'clock, but the time change. So 1 hour and 21 minutes. So that's 4 or 5 o'clock. He closed at 5 o'clock. Okay, guys. Gotta analyze the market, right? That's the indices. If we look here at the futures, our futures, US futures rallying. VIX is down. VIX opened at 3 o'clock, so that's down right now. $1.12. Gold is rallying. If gold is rallying, let me see what the dollar is doing. The dollar's up, gold is up, silver is up. Silver miners, they're down. They're getting crushed. Right. Bonds is up a little. Yen is up a little. So that's where we at. So, I took that little win. I'm done. We can close this recording now. So we make over $600, I think, or a little more, right? So nice way to start the day, right? But you notice I didn't get greedy, right? I take what the market give me, right? So, but the one micro was up big, the one NQ micro going in after the market closed because of the Amazon and Google beat,